Good evening, Kenton community. My name is Sabatino Samato. I'm your superintendent, and this is your weekly connection update. A very special weekly connection this week. We're focusing on students as educators in this special edition. And we have two examples, actually both from Edison Elementary this week. Our first example comes from Miss Liera Bringhurst, a second grade student that was not only interested in educating classmates, but educating her community and adults within Edison, and her focus was on the Festival of Lights known as Diwali, which was celebrated really worldwide yesterday, Thursday, November 4th, and by some families here in Kenton. Diwali originated in India and is one of the most important celebrations of the year in Hinduism and other religions of South Asian origin. Liera's mother's family is from Punjab in northern India, and her family celebrates Diwali each year. Now listen for yourself to Liera's presentation as she explains in her own words what Diwali is all about.
Diwali is an Indian holiday. It is celebrated by many different religions of India. My mom's family is from Punjab. It's a state in India. Many Punjabi people are in the Sikh religion. Diwali is the festival of lights and celebrates the victory of good over evil. We celebrate it to remove negativity and doubt from our lives. We celebrate this holiday by lighting up our houses with candles, string lights, and oil lamps called diyas. We also make rangoli outside. Rangoli is a big colorful design made from powders of different colors. We give each other presents, we dress up, we sing and dance, we say a prayer and thank God. We eat lots of food with friends and family, especially treats. This holiday is special because we celebrate all that is good and positive. This is so important, especially in times of uncertainty.
A very special thank you goes out to Liera, her family, and all of our students that are so interested in educating each other. That's the power in Kenton, is celebrating our differences and continuing to learn from each other through educating each other on a daily basis. Liera, thank you for your leadership, and to students like Liera and our educators that are always looking to make our learning experience top-notch here in Kenton. Another recognition and a kudos to our students who worked with our wellness team at Edison. Fourth grade students at Edison, a total of 62 students took advantage and had the chance to sign up to take home healthy pizza making kits and really bring them to their families and making pizzas at home, connecting school with community, looking at things like fresh basil grown right there at Edison, using that fresh basil as an ingredient. And it's a perfect example of this continued education. This continued education of not only, in this circumstance, what wellness looks like, what it sounds like, what it tastes like, but also how we focus on wellness in school and then coming home and sharing it with our folks at home. These are just two small examples of how our students, our teachers, our administrators working together to not only have the education in school, having the education at home, and absolutely spreading all of the great news and learning that happens in Kenton every day. And that's the way we're going to end today. A very quick update, but just a small celebration of what we do together to be Kenton proud, be Kenton strong, and continuing to move Kenton forward. Thank you very much for all of your dedication, folks. And please, let's have a great weekend. Go Bills.